So we've got a little bit of mud here. Just walk around on the eaves, just to make sure everything's good. A little bit muddy. Making sure she's all clean. That lintel there has been painted in the same colour as the windows. And for the people who are concerned about the meter box mist on this house, I did paint the meter box on here to match the windows. I don't have to, it just looked very terrible before, and I'll do it if I think it needs it. But I won't do it for no reason. So if your builder has got you to do it for no reason, balk it. It's a finished product. Leave it. Tell them it's a finished product. Ask them, did they want you to paint the gutter and fascia board as well? That's colour bond. That's how I got out of it. So, and then when it really needs it, it's damaged, it's dirty, it's the wrong colour, I will paint it.